Elevate your hosting game with these homemade prawn toast. It's a simple prawn paste on some bread and then fried until golden. Pair this with some sweet chili sauce and you have yourself an awesome starter that everyone will be going back for. Hi everyone, I'm Aru. Welcome to my channel Arubakes, and this is how I made these prawn toast. Chop up some garlic and ginger. We're using 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and about a 1-inch knob of ginger. For the ginger, scrape the skin off using a spoon. That's the easiest way to get the skin off. Then chop the ginger and the garlic up as fine as possible. But don't worry if it's not super fine, it will get blitzed through in the blender. I actually should have also added some lemongrass, but we didn't have any at home. Separate out an egg white. We're using only the white for this, not the yolk. The egg white will help bind the mixture and also help it stick to the bread. Add the prawns, ginger and garlic into a blender. Season this with salt and pepper and then add in a spoon of soy sauce and then finally go in with that egg white. And then blitz this for about 30 to 45 seconds until it forms a smooth paste. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel Arubakes so that you don't miss out, because I do 2 new recipes each week. Sliced white bread is the best vessel for this delicious prawn paste. Cut each slice of bread into half diagonally and then diagonally again so that you get 4 little triangles from each slice. You can even cut these into small squares actually. Once you have cut up the bread, apply the prawn paste onto each slice. Apply a generous amount, even a little bit more than what I'm applying here. Cover the entire surface of the bread with prawn paste and then dip this in some sesame seeds. I'm using a mix of black and white sesame seeds just because I think it looks prettier. The sesame seeds adds a nice crunch as they fry up. Once all your bread is coated, get some oil heating in a pot. Fill the pot about 1/3 of the way with oil and then heat this on a medium flame. Make sure the oil isn't too hot because the prawn toast will brown too fast without cooking through. Once the oil is hot enough, put the bread, filling side down first, and let that fry for 2 to 3 minutes until you can see the sides are starting to brown as well. And then carefully flip this over and fry the base of the bread for about another couple of minutes. Strain out the oil and then put this on some kitchen paper. The kitchen paper will soak up a lot of the excess oil. Now, if this feels like it's too oily for you, you can always oven bake these prawn toast or even pop this in the air fryer. Just remember that the baked ones won't be as crunchy and tasty as the fried ones. And then just serve these up with some sweet chili sauce. These are crazy easy to make, guys, and they really pack in some flavor. The crunch from that crispy bread and the nuttiness from those sesame seeds work so well with that soft prawn paste, and the sweetness from that dipping sauce just takes this to the next level. Please try this at home this weekend. I promise you'll love it. See you in the next video. Bye.